Yup, it even has a beautiful name, Whale Fall City. It's said that the first sea god's mount fell during a great catastrophe. Its corpse sank to the depths of the ocean. The Lemurians then built an underwater city around its skeleton. Whale Fall City had a temple, and Lemuria's most precious treasures were once stored in it. Every god of the sea would hold a grand ceremony there before officially ascending to godhood. But these are just stories from a long, long time ago. Who knows if they're real or not? I heard humans in the distant past would hold ceremonies and festivals on the beach. They pray to the sea god for good weather. It's probably showing a scene from that time. All right, there's still more work to do. Let's get to it.